Hey guys, it's Jack with Kapwing, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to use the new TikTok feature, Duet Green Screen. So green screening is one of the most popular tools on TikTok. I use it all the time on Kapwing's TikTok. Shameless promo, come check it out. But as you can see here, I used to have to green screen with a recorded video of someone else's TikTok, or just download their video or take a screenshot of it or something, because you couldn't directly green screen with someone else's TikTok video. TikTok just released the new Duet Green Screen feature, and it is going to make it all so much easier for me and for you. So make sure to keep on watching if you want to learn how to do that. And then after I show you how to do that, I'm also going to show you how to do the same thing, but for any video, not just on TikTok. So you can green screen yourself over any video that you see fit ever using our free online editor, Kapwing. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is just find a TikTok that you want to duet. So let me just go ahead and duet this TikTok. So all you're going to do is click the share button, or the little arrow button on the right. And then you're going to click the duet button because you are duetting this video. But as you can see, it automatically takes you to the standard duet feature where it's like a split screen. We don't want that. So you're going to click the layout button, which is on the side and near the bottom. And then here we have a new option called green screen. And then as you can see, now I am over her TikTok. Now, before you start recording, make sure you click the mic button in the bottom and turn it on. It says that if you use an earpiece, it will improve the quality of the audio, because otherwise it'll be like maybe a little bit echoed. But yeah, make sure you have your mic on. Once you are done filming, you are not able to turn your mic on. But yeah, just make sure you do that if you are, adding commentary or reacting to it or something like that. And I think it's always a good idea to turn your mic on anyway, because even if you decide later that you don't want your sound, you can just turn your sound down later. So just make sure to turn your mic on. And then I can record, and then I can record. And then when you're done, just click the next button, and then it'll give you a pop-up that says that your video background will be replaced when you do this. And if nothing is in the foreground of your video, it will look too similar to the original video, and TikTok will like flag that and notice that you're pretty much re-uploading the same video. And then it may affect engagement because they don't want you to get like tons of views and steal someone else's content. So that's fine as long as you're actually green screening it and you're like responding to it and you're in the frame. And then you can see, yes, that you can adjust the volume of the original volume, which is you. And then you can also adjust the added sound, which is the green screened video. Then when you're done with that, you can just go ahead and get ready to post. This feature is going to be super, super helpful for a lot of people, including me. But I'm even more excited to show you how to do this using our online free video editor, Kapwing, because you'll be able to do this with literally any video. It doesn't have to be on TikTok. You could do this with anything, and I'm going to show you how. Super simple. Okay, so all you have to do is click the first link in our bio and go to kapwing.com, and then just make sure to sign in. It's completely free, and it'll make it so that when you export your video, you don't get a watermark. Then you're going to click new content. Then you can click to upload or drag and drop a file that you want to green screen, or you can paste in a video URL. This is super, super helpful. Okay, so here I imported in this video from SpongeBob, and let's say that I want to react to it. So all I'm going to do is import that video, and then I'm going to drag in another video that I want to play on top of it. So now obviously I want to remove this background so it looks more seamless. And the first thing that you should know is that this feature is much better if you have like a white background, or just like not too many patterns, or you don't blend in with the background. This will just work way better. So all you're going to do is click on the file that you want to remove the background. And then you're just going to click over to the effects tab over here and click that. And then you're going to click the remove background. Chroma key is for green screen, but because my background isn't actually green, that will not do me any good. So I'm just going to use the remove background. But if you do have like an actual green screen, you can use chroma key. So then it'll automatically take out the background, and then you can also play with the thresholds. So if you want it to be more tight around your body, you can put it closer to this end. And if you want it to have like more of a border, you can do it more of like that. So I'm just going to do like this. So then I'm just going to click play, and you can see that it is working. It's definitely a different look than the TikTok green screen. This has definitely more of like a border, but it actually kind of looks cool to me. It kind of looks more like a comic book or like a flip book. And obviously if you don't move around in the frame too much, then there will be less of that. But because I'm moving around, there is more of a sort of shift in the background. So yeah, that's it. And then you can just click the export video button. And then once you are done, you can just click play and make sure that you're happy with it. And then once you are, just click the download button. All right, guys, that's it for me. Make sure to like this video if it was helpful. Comment down below if you have any other video requests, and make sure to subscribe to the channel to join an online community of modern creators. Also, make sure to check out the Discord so you can chat with us at Kapwing and other Kapwingers, and check out the TikTok where I am always doing tomfoolery. You don't want to miss out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.